How to shop on Nike website. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open any of the browser. I'm using my Safari browser here. Go to the search bar and search for Nike.com. Now you will enter the Nike website where you can scroll down and tap on filter, where you can sort by feature, newest or highest to lowest or lowest to highest price. You can also shop by price or gender, or you can sort the items by any way that you like. You can even choose the color. After that, you want to tap on the cross mark that is on the top right corner. Now you want to select any of the item that you want to purchase. After that, you can choose the size of it, either medium, small, and you want to tap on add to bag. Tap on checkout just beside view bag. Select the delivery option, ship or pickup, and then you want to enter your first name, last name, and then address, including other email address and phone number. After that, tap on save and continue. Scroll down and enter your payment method. After you do that, you'll be able to shop on Nike website. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.